Hello people. Today I'm gonna be showing you the basic structure of the DIY Arduino steering wheel that I've made for PC. So I had taken it as a challenge to incorporate scrap in this build as much as I can, which explains the plywood board, which has more holes than a sponge. The cardboard enclosure for the Arduino board, and this little structure for mounting the rotary encoder. For the steering shaft, I have used a 10mm threaded bar and a couple of 10mm bore pillow brackets for smooth movement. In the original idea from which this whole build is inspired from, the pillow brackets were made at home using wood and ball bearings. I wasn't lazy to build them, believe me, I have tried, but this is what happened. Then all I did was, I aligned the screw holes for the pillow brackets and screwed them on with the threaded bar locked in. So I decided to ditch the cardboard box, cause it was turning into a real pain in the neck while I was screwing on the pillow brackets. Now I just screw on the rotary encoder to this tiny structure I made from foam board. After doing all the wiring, we can now mount the steering wheel onto the shaft. I did have this old wheel that I had made for a previous build, but it wasn't very comfortable, so I made this new one, and it looks pretty solid considering that it was made from scrap. And that's it. We're good to game. So, that's it for today, people. See you in the next one, and until then, stay tuned.